The power of extreme teamwork. Extra simple, extra easy to use, and extraordinarily powerful. Collaborate with your team, clients, contractors, and vendors. Use the project and issue tracking solution that delivers results. Whether you are a large business or just a small team, XTeamUp is the perfect anytime, anywhere project tracking solution for businesses of any size. Just watch how. Collaboration module. Collaborate in real time with your team, clients, contractors, and vendors. Set up milestones. Use built-in calendar features and set up project milestones and track deadlines. Mobile application. Collaborate with your team and manage your project anytime, anywhere with touchscreen mobile apps on Apple and Google Android touchscreen devices. Create to-do lists. Create to-do lists, assign responsibility, keep track of what needs to be done and who is doing what. Communicate effectively. Upload messages that will be sent as email messages to everyone on their PCs, laptops, iPads, and all mobile devices. Also, view messages on the message board. Organize messages by topic or category. No need to dig into your old email messages. Access XTeamUp from your Google Universal Navigation. Simply log in with your Google Apps or Gmail account. Attach Google Docs and uploaded files to tasks and projects. Integrate your Google Apps and share Google Docs. Manage tasks. Manage people and tasks. Find out who spent how much time on what task. This product allows members to communicate effectively with other team members, and often without relying heavily on emails and phone calls. Again, XTeamUp reduces dependencies on emails and document sharing. Users can upload messages that will be sent as email messages to everyone on their PCs, laptops, iPads, and all mobile devices. Very easy to use for social and project management with a clear, clean, and uncluttered look. Powerful, able to keep track of multiple events, projects, meetings, dates, and messages from both a computer and an iPhone or Android device. Tremendous contacting power to reach any team member at any time from anywhere. It can be a recurring event, like a reminder for a meeting immediately through email and, best of all, SMS messaging. It will track down people to get their projects and groups the information immediately or at a scheduled time. XTeamUp is super fast, very powerful, and very easy to use. It always takes just 3 clicks to use any of the features. Set up text messaging alerts and forget about it. All your team members will receive text messages exactly on the same day at the same time that you've set up. Picture this. You've set up a group meeting at 9 a.m. 15 days from now. Just set up XTeamUp to send a reminder for that meeting at 9 a.m. a day prior to the scheduled meeting. All the group members will receive text reminders on their cell phone at exactly 9 a.m. on that day. You can also set up recurring alerts to send text message reminders to yourself or your entire group. Issue Tracking Module. A ticket is an element contained within an issue tracking system which contains information about coding requirements or support interventions made by technical support staff or project stakeholders. Create tickets for your team members to address all the issues related to your project. You can set the priority of your tickets from highest to lowest, and the color of your tickets changes accordingly. Create wiki pages to have a knowledge repository of instructions, documentation, diagrams, and anything else. Add new pages in seconds and let team members make edits and contribute content. Scrum Module. Our Scrum module is easy to use, and with mobile features it can be accessed anytime, from anywhere. Product Backlog. The product backlog is an ordered list of requirements that is maintained for a product. It contains product backlog items that are ordered by the product owner based on considerations like risk, business value, dependencies, date needed, etc. User story. Create user story as product requirements and present it to the product development team. Modify it as per your requirements. Planning Poker. Use Planning Poker with your team members in the same room or across the world with a virtual team to estimate the size of your user stories. Sprint. Sprint is the basic unit of development in Scrum. Sprints last between 1 week and 1 month and are a time-boxed effort of a constant length. Charts. XTeamUp lets you see your progress during an iteration using a burn up, burn down. Define custom statuses to report your stories by charts. The Sprint Burn Down chart is a publicly displayed chart showing remaining work in the sprint backlog. Updated every day, it gives a simple view of the sprint progress. It also provides quick visualizations for reference. Scrum Board. XTeamUp Scrum Board gives you a quick way of visually seeing the status of your iteration. Drag and drop stories into different columns to change their statuses. Our sprint planning tool helps you plan out your work and move stories from your backlog into a sprint. Compare the amount of work in previous sprints with the current one so as not to overload your team. Simple, elegant, powerful. The anytime, anywhere project and issue tracking tool, XTeamUp. Visit www.xteamup.com.